Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you to our channel. Guys, today I'm here to explain 11 Kicks reviews, and in this video I'll also help you know whether you should buy from the site or not. Guys, apart from that, the people from various countries and at a worldwide level curious to know about the legitimacy of this particular website, as this site is um in trend, guys, and most of the customers are looking forward for the entire information regarding the legitimacy of this particular website. So this is an online store that deals with multiple shoes of different brands including Adidas and Jordan 11 Retro Playoffs or various other brands. So you can take a look at the collection of this website by visiting the entire products, and the prices of these offerings are pretty high. Now guys, talking about the payment information, so let's check out the payment info. So they have not provided the payment information at the bottom of the web page, but yes, let me check the particular product so that we can get to know about the payment info. So these are the images of these products, and they have not provided the payment information, guys, which is a negative sign. Now coming to the shipping policy of the site, you need to click on shipping and returns. So here they have mentioned the delivery duration, which is 3 to 5 business days. So guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, no doubt this website has an SSL certificate and a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign, but the site can't be trusted on the basis of its HTTPS protocol factor. So coming to the domain information, it was created on 14th of August 2020. It means that this site can define its legitimacy on the basis of its domain age, but guys, it's really very important to examine the entire factors before making any online purchase from an online portal. So coming to the company's detail, you need to check the about us information. So in the about us information, they have only provided some options including privacy notes or shipping and returns and contact us details, but no information is available regarding business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign, guys. Now talking about the contact details, they have only provided the query form. If you want to connect with the customer representatives of this particular online portal, then you need to send your query or message via this query form by putting your full name, email address and message. So this is again not a good sign, guys, because they have not provided the entire contact details, and lack of contact details makes the site quite suspicious. Now talking about the social media presence of this site, you can take a look the following social media icons including Instagram and YouTube. So guys, this site is popular on Instagram and has received views from various customers, but the YouTube channel of the store has less than 100 subscribers. It means that they have only 52 or approximate 54 subscribers on YouTube. So this is not a good sign here, because they have less engagement on social media platforms as well and less followers as well. Now when it comes to the return policy of the site, you need to check out the return policy by visiting the shipping and return policy page. So guys, they have mentioned a note that if you want to return your items, then you need to contact them for the shipping address. And in this page, guys, they do not have provided the exact return policy. They have only mentioned that we do not accept items that with any quality problem. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return of the product, because it will give benefit to other customers as well. And yes, when it comes to the 11 Kicks reviews, you can find various products on this website along with positive or high rating. But guys, we would like to inform you that no comments or no reviews are available about the site on the internet. And some people have liked the new collection of this website, but yes, we have also found some discussions on one of the popular review sites including Reddit. So yes, this again makes a confusion regarding the legitimacy of this website, because if this is a legit site, then it needs more reviews from genuine customers, guys. So yes, based on the entire loopholes or based on the entire drawbacks, we would say you need to check out the entire information before making any online purchase. And guys, we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website until you check the information at your end. Apart from that, coming to the trust index score, it is 5%, guys, which is really very bad, and it comes with low popularity or low Alexa rank as well. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say the website appears to be suspicious, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.